getting ready to start painting my room. I have been putting this off for, not putting it off, I'm very picky when it comes to my furniture, and so I was finally able to find some decent furniture for a decent price. I'm really excited about the pieces that I chose, and I overall just wanted to make over this room. I've been wanting to make it over for quite some time. The only thing I won't be making over is the headboard and the bed situation, because that's going to be in the next couple of weeks. I'm going to be doing some kind of wood paneling on the wall here. You guys will see. And then we still have to purchase a mattress. So that will be coming in the later months. But if you guys missed my last video, you'll know that I'm now working from home full time. I will leave that video linked somewhere up or down below in the description box so you guys can hear all about it. But I want a space that is going to be comfortable, a space that's going to be motivating, inspiring, and just a place that makes me want to sit down and work all day, because I'm coming from a 9 to 5, structured work day. I'm sure it's going to be very different. I've never worked from home before. And I've heard some stories, and also I've heard horror stories, but also good stories and ways that you can, have a good work from home experience. So I hope that you guys will learn from my experience. And so, yeah, it's actually Friday Eve of my last day. I quit today. Actually, it is Friday Eve, and I said, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and paint. Like, I don't have anything to do, I don't have any plans, and I'm feeling really excited, I'm feeling really inspired, and I'm ready to paint. So that's gonna be the hard part, so I want to get that out of the way. The furniture is supposed to be delivered tomorrow, and then I have curtains coming from Amazon. And I pretty much already purchased the decor early last year. Oh, not early, but like around fall time. I was shopping for my room already. So I knew that I was going to, make it over. I had been planning it. But yeah, I'm rambling now. So let's get into the video. My dressers came. I thought it was a nightstand, but it was the dressers. And I do love the color that they're in. This is like a light, pretty wood color, light wood. I think it's gonna go really nice up against the wall colors. So I'm gonna try to start putting this together while I wait for the paint to fully dry, because I might have to repaint the wall. It's looking a little splotchy, and I hope not, because I really don't want to have to paint the wall again. But I'm gonna do what I have to do so that it looks good. I am going out this evening, so at some point I need to stop. And my daughter has a little event also, so I probably have to stop. I'm starving. My daughter ordered pizza. Thank you, daughter. And yeah, I'm getting ready to put this together. It is like 2 weeks later, and my bed frame finally came in, so I'm getting ready to put it together. We still were using our old box springs, but I wanted a low profile bed. It just goes with the aesthetic better. So it came in, and I'm getting ready to put it together, and I feel so intimidated. Look at all these parts. Like, WTF, y'all. Okay, like I just feel like from the last time when I tried to put something together, I guess I'm just still feeling, I don't know what the word is, just I'm still feeling a way about my last attempt of putting something together and how difficult it was. But I'm going to go into this positively, and I'm good at putting stuff together. I don't know, but I'm gonna put this together. I got this from Target. It was on sale, President's Day sale. It was $108. Normally they're like $180, $200 for a king, and this is a metal one. I wanted a wooden one, but it was too much, and I didn't want to spend that much on a box spring, basically. So that's what we're getting ready to do. Alright, so I'm done, but I would suggest having 2 people to do this. It can be done with 1 person, but I would suggest having a helper. So this is the final look of what the box spring looks like. Okay, and then you guys will see the full bed in the tour coming up. So the audio cut out on this segment of the video, so I'm going to go ahead and just do the voiceover here, and I want to go over everything, show you where everything is from, and give you guys all the information that I can. I really love how my bedroom space came out. It's so tranquil in here, very peaceful, and just I love being in my room. It's just it's great, and mostly I got a lot of inspiration from Pinterest, and I don't really have a style of this room. I would say that there's a little bit of modern, maybe some contemporary, a little bit of boho as well. I just know that I wanted it to be very light, bright, and comfortable, so that's what I was striving for. So hopefully it's not too weird for you guys seeing me talk about the room but not hearing me. So I'll do my best to just, like I said, go over everything. So starting with the bed, I purchased the headboard and bed frame from Amazon. Amazon had a really good selection of bed frames and very nicely priced. This was $180 for this, and this I have a king size bed, so this was $180. And it is a fabric headboard. It's kind of like a grayish kind of color, but very light and very just simplistic, very clean lines, and that's what I really liked about it. Also, I want to go over where I got my bedding from. So with my bedding, I have a duvet over my comforter. So I purchased this duvet from Overstock. I purchased stuff from like everywhere, guys. So hopefully I can remember where everything comes. I purchased the duvet from Overstock. I was just showing you the pillow sham. So it came with the shams and the duvet cover. The gray pillows that you see there, those are from Target, and they are from the Casa Luna line, and they are just really nice oversized king pillows, and the cover on them does come off, so they are washable. But they're very plush and just very comfortable, almost like a linen texture, but not a linen. But you kind of get that vibe from it, and that's kind of what I wanted my sheets to go. That was the vibe I was going for with my sheets as well. Not linen, but just like that comfy white summery, spring type of feeling for the room. I also have these two throws. I purchased this one from Home Goods, and then this one is from IKEA. I've had that one for a long time, but the one on top is kind of like a chenille, very soft, plushy type of fabric, very comfortable. And it looks heavy, but they are actually lightweight. For my nightstands, I really love the whole restoration hardware look. That this was inspired by that. The green lamp there that you see is from World Market, and I actually have these lamps for quite some time. The green lantern for the candle is from Hobby Lobby. You'll see that I have another one of those coming up. And then I have these coasters. I purchased these coasters from Home Goods, and they're just kind of like a nice marbly, heavy, very heavy coaster. Love them. They came in a set of 5. Got those from Home Goods. And then as far as the look continues, I purchased these mirrors. These mirrors are from IKEA. No, not from IKEA. They are from Amazon. The mirrors are from Amazon, and they were about $50 each, and I just love how it came out. The two circle, I don't even know what to call them, those two art pieces are from Home Goods. They were $40 for the set, and I just love how warm they make the room feel. They just bring a type of warmness to it, and they kind of go with the theme of the woods in the room. The uva stock that I'm going to go over here in this next clip. Purchased this uva stock from CB2. I've had my eye on it for a while. I was finally able to get it, and they came in a 3-pack of 24. Next, we have this bench. I love this bench. I've been looking for a piece to kind of fill this space, and I thought a bench is perfect there. And it was $100 from Target, and I just accented it with the pillow there that I already owned. Next, I have my 2 dresser units. You guys saw that I put these together. They came out very nice. They were decently priced, not perfect, pretty fairly easy to put together, but they were $180 for the set. I didn't want to go overboard on furniture. As far as paying for furniture, I really just wanted some nice furniture that I know that I could make look nice, and these do, in my opinion, they look a little high end. And I just love the color. Like I said, the light wood color, I love it. I also love the handles. that it came with. They're just like a nice dark, kind of like a dark bronzy type of color, and you know, just very stylish, very modern, and just very nice. I decided that I wanted to decorate the top of the dresser, but still keep it as tidy as I possibly could. I didn't want to do too much, and I think it came out nicely. So here we have the PS4, we have our books, the books that I'm going to be reading this year, 2 of the books. I have my green candle Volta, my other one. I got this from Hobby Lobby. The set was from Hobby Lobby. I just love it. The sage green color is so pretty. And then I have this gold mirror. This is from IKEA. I believe it was like $7.99. And then next to that, I have my incense holder, which I already owned. And then I have the brown box, which I got from Home Goods, and I've had this as well for a couple of months now. And we just keep random things in here: lighter, remote, sage. And then next to that is my tray, and I have my diffuser, my water, which I love this. I think it's like a decanter, probably called something else, but I love it. It was $5 from IKEA. And then the room spray. And please excuse my ashy hands because they were ashy, and I just realized that. I got that from Target. It's not a strong smell, but it does the job. For this corner of the room, this is my honey's side of the room, so I didn't want to overly decorate this. You know, this is his side, and I wanted to just keep it comfortable for him. So we have our chair that we, you know, like the lounge chair. I forget what the name of this chair is, but it is from IKEA. We have another throw that we also got from Home Goods, and then his nightstand as well. And then I don't think I talked about underneath the nightstand. So that's just a basket. There are 2 baskets. They came in a set. I got them from Amazon. I think they were about $25 for the set. I didn't want like a wicker basket or like the wooden, you know, the regular baskets. I wanted something fabric to kind of go with this space. And then we just have his alarm clock, another lamp, the mirror, and then the candle there. Okay, so the curtains, a funny story, I purchased the same sheer curtains. They're just in a slight color variance. One of them is white, and then the other one is kind of like an oatmeal color. And I actually like the double sheer curtains. It gives enough visibility, but it still gives privacy for us. And you can actually see the color variance. You might be able to. So the back curtain is the oatmeal color one because it has that yellowish tint. And then the front curtain is the white sheer. I don't know if you guys can tell. I can tell, I guess, because you know, I'm looking at it all the time. But yeah, right here you can see kind of the difference. And then this last space here, I'm going to be doing in a separate video, but this is my new office space that I created, and I'll be telling you guys more about that in an upcoming video. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Please do give this video a thumbs up, like it, share it, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. If you are subscribed, thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.